Welcome to Donna Cooking, and in this week's video it's going to be a little bit different. We're going to be having a baby shower for my youngest daughter, and she's going to be having a girl. So excited. But the whole theme is going to be baby in bloom. We did some really awesome invitations. Her husband is a designer, and my husband also owns a print shop. So they put together these beautiful cards, and baby in bloom with floral design is what it's going to be. And this video I'm going to be putting together charcuterie boxes. So each lady that comes will get their own box, and then I'll also have some for kids. So I'm going to be putting these together. So come on with me in this video and let's get started. Now I've ordered some really nice things off of Amazon, and I will be linking some of those items in the description box below the video. We're going to be having the shower at my daughter-in-law's house. You might know her here on YouTube as Charisma Star, and so she is a wonderful decorator, and so you're going to be amazed when you see all the pretty decorations that we're going to have for this baby shower. Just got done frosting these strawberry cupcakes, and I made a strawberry cream cheese buttercream icing. And the ticket to making this icing tastes so delicious is you use some of the freeze-dried strawberries and you just smash it up in the frosting, and it gives it a really beautiful, vibrant taste. Well, I got some of the food items here on the counter. Some of them, of course, are in the refrigerator. And I've got a bunch of the charcuterie boxes all put together. Let me show you a couple things really quick. These are the little parchment paper liners that I used for that bottom of the boxes. So it's nice, it just comes right out of here. You can put it in the box, and I totally recommend lining your boxes with some kind of parchment paper in case there's any leakage and you don't get any greasy spots on the bottom of your box. And the other thing, if you have anything wet, they have these just at all the grocery stores, and this is the smaller one. They have a bigger one also that you can put salad dressings in or hummus, whatever you like that. And then these are all the different skewers that I used, and this is for the salami roses, and I did olives on these, and I had kids pepperoni on these. These I just had extra, but they're really pretty, and these I also used for the cupcakes, and these particular ones I did get at Michael's. Just been putting together all the kids' boxes for the baby shower. Got a whole table full of them, and got some pepperoni and olives and strawberries and dried banana chips, crackers and cheese and pirate booty and a drink and fruit snacks, animal crackers, yogurt covered pretzels, just a whole assortment of things that kids will really enjoy for this baby shower. Individual charcuterie boxes. The charcuterie boxes for the adults all done for the baby shower. We got 22 of them all lined up here on the table. So yeah, gonna get ready to transport them over to the baby shower. This was really one of the most fun baby showers I have ever done, and it was so easy. It was hard ahead of time. The day before, I had to, do a lot of prep work with cutting up the vegetables and all that, and then I did get up at 7:30 in the morning. The shower was at 2, and put together all the boxes. But when the shower started, I didn't have to do anything. I actually got to sit and visit with all the ladies at the shower, and we had like a tub full of all kinds of sparkling waters. You know, they're really popular right now, and little waters. So we had a tub with ice, all the drinks in it, and then I had all the boxes all laid out, the kids section and then all the adult ones, and then all the cupcakes were all laid out. So all they had to do is grab a napkin, grab a box, get a drink, and go sit down and enjoy the shower. So I hope you really enjoyed this video. I had fun doing it, and if this can help you out, please leave me a comment, and I appreciate all you guys' support. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with a friend who might enjoy it too. So until next time, happy cooking, and I'll see you in the next video.